This is a recreation of the famous Titanic scene by Rajbhar and Somnath.
Spoon.
After recreating the Titanic scene, now Rajbhar wants to spoon
With a bus.
with a bus. We have Shinchon.
Okay, so ready for the next destination?
Absolutely. We are ready for the next destination. Cheers. Bye. Right, guys, so this is a new day. We're getting in food from a really special place, and we've never covered this place on video. So we thought we might as well do it today, since I have a few guests coming over from Foodspa, members who've been active throughout the lockdown. So I thought of calling them over for a little surprise lunch. A lot of them don't know where the lunch is going to come from, but I'm going to reveal it to you right now. So we have deliveries coming in from Chacha Jan as well as Dil Desi Dhaba. Now, Chacha Jan is a Mughlai place, Dil Desi Dhaba is an Indian place, and both are basically owned. It's a franchise of the Big Fat Belly, our favorite. So the food is going to be arriving any time now. I thought I'll give a quick introduction over here. We have the first guest already. Somnath, come over.
Hi.
Hi, so that is Somnath. Somnath, are you excited? I think you've heard already. So you know what is
Yeah,
coming. So
it
what
is
is your
right.
reaction once you've heard?
It was the franchise of Big Fat Belly, and the food will be amazing.
Yeah, so Somnath is one of the biggest fans of Big Fat Belly. Throughout the
Yes, I
lockdown,
am.
he's been making posts ki kabe Big Fat Belly cool ve. So I thought who better than calling him over first for a vlog on Desi Dhaba as well as Chacha Jan. So I think without further ado, we'll talk less and we'll get eating first. All right, so ready?
Ready?
Hi. Guest who's already here. Abbas, not from there, from that side. Say hi to the camera. Any idea where we're having our lunch from today? You know only Chacha Jan, right?
Yeah.
There's another brand. We have a lot of salads. That's biryani.
Yeah, it's biryani.
So this is from Chacha Jan.
Yes, from Chacha Jan.
Salad, and what are those? Those are chutneys.
Chutneys.
Abbas, would you like to open this? This is from Dil Desi Dhaba. Can you just open all of these from now? Alright, so these are from Dil Desi Dhaba. That's actually a lot of food, so we might have to include some from the neighborhood as well. I'll call over my brother as well as Imtiaz. Is that the khichdi? Yes, this is the keema khichdi. This is something which Akarsh has said this is specially for me, but I'll make them taste. Nevertheless, ये सब सालन वगैरह है, ठीक है, okay. So, all right. So this is what today's meal looks like. On the left we have items from Chacha Jan, and on the right we have from Dil Desi. So let's take one side at a time. Yes, please. So now let's start with this. So this is a portion of Jeera Pyaz Pulao. Over here we have chicken chop. What was this, guys?
This was mutton korma.
Mutton korma. This is another portion of chicken chop leg piece. And this is the famous Chacha Jan's Aslam chicken. And the last thing from Chacha Jan is a portion of biryani. Along with, of course, sides of onion. And there's chutney as well. Moving on over here, we have rotias. You can just open one of them. Alright, so we have the butter chicken over here. There is mutton rogan josh. There is achari chicken tikka. There's a normal chicken tikka. This is chicken tadka. This is palak paneer. We have naan. we have keema khichdi, and finally we have some more butter naans over here. So this is what the entire platter. No, we can't call it a platter. This is more of a grand feast. I'll try to give you some reactions of our friends who are over, how they like the food. So you can stay tuned for the hard work which goes in the behind the scenes, which we don't get to see. We only get to see the last bit, the pictures. But this is what happens behind the scenes. Boys are playing very well. This is a recreation of the famous Titanic scene by Rajvar and Somnath. Guys, aren't you all hungry?
Very hungry.
I think it's been close to an hour now that we're shooting.
Chicken tarka first. Spoon.
After recreating the Titanic scene, now Rajvar wants to spoon
With a bus.
with a bus. Right, so after we are done shooting, now comes the time to start eating. This is the Aslam chicken. Very buttery. এটার বাটারের আলাদা একটা ক্রেজ আছে, সবাই চিকেনটা তো খেয়ে নেয় বাট বাটার লাস্ট অব্দি যায়। I am waiting for Somnath's reaction when he has the Aslam chicken. That's one thing I'm waiting for.
Amazing.
Alright guys, so this is over. We've had I think it was a marathon lunch. It took us like 1 hour to click the pictures and another hour to finish off the food. We had so many starters, main courses, etc. Prottektar machkhane the round of soft drinks was also there. So that took a long time. So we are finally done. We couldn't finish off everything. So I have dinner kept aside for me and others also packed a few stuff. So I think we'll call them over. Guys, come over. তোমাদের কোনটা কি ভালো লেগেছে আমাকে বলো আগে সব থেকে।
I love the Aslam chicken and mutton and korma actually.
Alright,
The
Aslam
quantity was huge actually, so I packed something as well for home.
So he's got something to take away home. What about your bus?
I like the Aslam chicken and
Okay.
the chari chicken kebab.
Achari chicken kebab, tikka kebab as well. Great. And what about you, Rajvar?
Aslam chicken and the chicken tadka.
Chicken tadka.
Chicken
Okay.
tadka.
I found the tadka to be a little oily, so
But it was very buttery as well.
yeah. So maybe, but Aslam chicken was buttery again, but that is something which all of them love. So the Aslam chicken is from Chacha Jan. You can definitely try that. And gravy items, all the items will be posted by them on Foodspa. You can stay tuned for those. All right. I'll see you guys. We have our next guest also. You want to come on camera quickly? Okay, who do we have? Okay, we have Shinchon.
Okay, so ready for the next destination?
Absolutely. We are ready for the next destination. Cheers. Bye.